Robots versus humans, advantages and disadvantages. One of the most commonly debated topics nowadays is about the forthcoming victory of intelligent machines over mankind. It is projected that they will take over the world, our jobs, be able to function autonomously and become more intelligent than us. Even the brightest minds of our era, like Stephen Hawking,
Bill Gates and Elon Musk believe they could pose a threat to humanity.
Let us now understand what are the areas where machines supersede humans and where humans are ruling the world of machines. Parameters: humans, robots or humanoids. Diligence: humans tend to get tired of working for long hours and get bored too. They can work round the clock any task diligently without getting bored. Speed and accuracy: humans lack in speed and accuracy in performing certain tasks. Robots can perform with greater degree of accuracy and much higher speed. Job: humans will always have a threat of unemployment on unskilled areas where robots are deployed and perform better. Robots can't replace humans in skilled areas and constantly changing work environment. Workability: humans are most adaptive, creative and smartest in all domains except extreme environment and places that are life-challenging. Robots with AI perform all the tasks with higher precision that they are trained with. They can work in extreme and dangerous environment with ease. Communication: jobs requiring certain level of communication are unlikely to be automated. Professions like healthcare, education, psychology, etc. Robots have limited communication skills and they are good at only trained domains.